Hey guys, I've been hearing something in the vents. I thought it was our cats scratching at the door, but turns out I found out we got some feathers in our bathroom after my wife turned on the furnace. So I'm gonna go take the furnace apart and we're gonna see what's happening with this stuff. Okay, so we're over here at the furnace in the basement. Kendra just went to go get another light because it's kind of dark without the light. And let's see, pretty sure we have a bird. Yep, turn on. Stand back the camera. Here we go.
Recording?
There is recording. No sign of a bird yet.
Well, it couldn't have been in a house, because you would notice it if it was a house.
Oh, looking by the dog hair, I'm paying the filter anyway.
Yeah. There is a long dog hair.
Oh.
Mm,
Always have filters on stock, because it's handy. And so I'll put a filter in here. And I'm going to turn you guys off for a minute. And I'm going to further explore the vent until I can find out approximately where it is, take the vent apart. Okay guys, so I took the panel off the furnace here. And we have feathers. Definitely have feathers. Get feathers down there. I don't know if you can see it at the bottom. Got a big feather here. So I have to start taking this apart some more to try and find it. I've been going through vents for about an hour. We'll find it. I'll continue the video. Alright, so found out where the bird was. Not in a good spot. After completely ripping apart my furnace, I found him in the fan. And so I honestly don't know how it got in there. If you guys do, let me know, because I've totally got no outside vents coming into my ductwork. I've always had a filter here beside the furnace. There's screens on everything. I honestly have no clue how it got in, unless maybe there was a window open. Even then, if it went into a vent, it would come right back out. It wouldn't go into a vent, you wouldn't think. But anyway, long story short, about 6 hours of messing around, and I finally found out where it is, and well, here it is. Now I got to go wash my fan because there's poop and everything in there. We're gonna take and get rid of it and clean everything up, and I'll put it back together. It's about 11 o'clock here, and hopefully I'll have it together by midnight or 2. Cool, see ya. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Yeah, hit the like and subscribe button. You never know what I'm gonna post. I don't post videos often, but I try and post some neat ones when I can. Thanks. Bye.